Hey y'all, I'm just gonna update you in English because the next slides I'm gonna be speaking Tagalog, but just came back from the gym. And bitch, the gym here is so beautiful and huge. But I'm gonna do a little what's in my bag. So, yeah. So ngayon gagawa po ako ng ano ang nasa bag ko. What's in my bag? Ito po yung bayong siaga ko. They gave it to me as a gift. Thank you so much to Miss Pia Campos. Ay, maraming salamat po kay Miss Pia Campos. I'm gonna take this out real quick. And so I can show you this, where it's from. It is from, taga dito po siya. Taga, Bayong Siaga. So, o-openin ko po na ngayon kung anong nandito. Maraming pagkain dito. Maraming piatos. Tapos isa pang piatos. Maraming nandito yung nasa snack videos ko na in-film ko. Kadwak ni BuzzFeed na in-film ko idi. Boy bawang. Nagrigat ang Tagalog. Tapos, meron po siyang pamaypay. Di nyo alam na alam ko yun. Tapos, polvoron. Dalawang klaseng Skyflakes. Ang galing ko. Mango. Chocolate. Miss Pia really rolled this shit up. Ang daming... Bitch, you understood what I said. Tapos ito po, hindi ko pa na-try ko to. And last po, I don't know why I'm calling you po. Like, I don't even know if you're older than me. Like, emergency, multivitamins and minerals. Tapos, alcohol. Salamat po. Yun lang ang nasa bag ko. See you next time. I've never tried this before, but it looks very familiar. Hindi ko pa na-try to, pero parang nakita ko na noon. So, titikman natin ngayon. Let's try it right now. First, parang ano to, yema. Edible ba yun? Hindi edible yung wrapper. Oh, yema! Yema vibes! Yema vibes. Masarap pa to. Is it good? Mariel's pasalubong. Bitch, you ate that shit up, Mariel. Ano to? Pastillas vibes. I lied, actually. I tried all these before. It just the packaging is just different. Nag-lie po ako. Na-try ko na to. Pero yung packaging, hindi... I got cut off, but I was saying, yung packaging, iba. Tapos ito, masarap to. Parang pastillas, pero ito, parang pastillas rin. Wow. Masarap sila.